I tried Facebook to make money with affiliate marketing by promoting other people's product without having any email list, no funnels, no paid ads, using only Facebook organic. My goal is to make $5,000 in just 30 days. Let's see what happens. Will I be able to make money? First of all, I want to tell you one thing. I have already tried Facebook for 1.5 months, but I did not get any result. So this time I am not going to do this alone. I am going to get a mentorship so that I can make money as soon as possible. So I took a loan of $300 because I don't have any money right now to pay for the mentorship. And I am going to promote high ticket products that pays me $1,000 commission on every single sale. So even if I get one sale, I'll be able to pay off my debit and future installment also. I just need 5 people to make $5,000. I already started watching the training videos and I have some idea about the Facebook organic. So I made my strategy that I'm going to work for the next 1 month. I will show you everything in this video. I set up my profile picture with a new cover photo and interesting hook. I also mention in my bio how I am going to help people. Also a nice and clear profile picture, so that when people come to my profile, they find it interesting, engaging and attracting. I also created first batch of content so that you can see here, so that I can post consistently, because posting content is going to be a very important part of this strategy to attract new people, to nurture leads, to identify buyers. Also, I am going to engage 15 to 20 minutes every day after I post my content, so that my content reach to large number of people. I will get more visibility. Also, I joined some genuine Facebook groups. You can see here, these are the genuine affiliate marketing groups I joined, so that I can go into the group and I can add people from these groups, because my ideal customer are in these groups. So I sent 30 to 40 friend requests from these Facebook groups. It took me 15 to 16 days to do all the stuff. Now I also started implementing most important part of this strategy, FB Messenger. I am going to use FB Messenger to close my sales. I started sending message to 15 to 20 people on daily basis, so that I can talk to them, I can qualify them, or if they are fit into my offer, into product, I am going to pitch the product. And that's how I will make my first sale. Also, I started posting on my profile and it's going very well. I am getting good response on my content. I am getting good engagement on my content. I took the loan of another $300 to continue the membership. And I started following a new strategy. I started engaging in the affiliate marketing groups that I joined, so that I can reach out to more people can reach out to me. But the most important part of this strategy is to master conversation. I need to work more and more on that. Even after starting the conversation, some people reply, some people leave the conversation in between, some people ghosted. It's not going very well. I need to work more on my conversation skills. Now it's another month and I am still using the same strategy. I did an offer post this month. I will show you what's the response I got. This is the direct offer post I did in the 3rd month, and I am getting positive response. There are people who interested in my offer. You can see here people said yes to my offer, and I sent message to all of these people so that I can talk to them and I can close my first sale. I talked to all those people who was interested in my offer. Some people replied to my message, some people did not reply to my message, and some leave in between the conversation. I did not get any sale from those people. Now I am in a debit of $900. I am hoping I will make $5,000 soon because I am working on the strategy. I am learning more about the strategy and my conversation are getting better day by day. So I am hoping to make $5,000 so that I can pay off my debit. Now this month I was getting quality leads and I send offer document to 8 to 10 people, and there are 1 or 2 prospects that are highly interested in my offer, in the product. So I am hoping to get the sale. So let's see. From all those people, some people said they don't have money right now to buy that product. Some people said they need time to think about it. I am following with those people. 1 or 2 people said no, they don't want to buy. Now I think I cannot do it anymore. I am losing my confidence. So I gave last 1 month for myself to make $5,000 in 30 days with this method. Now this is the end of the last month, last chance that I gave myself to make money using Facebook with affiliate marketing. I will tell you, did I get any sale? Did I able to make money with affiliate marketing using Facebook? I posted consistently this month. I sent message to the people who are interested in affiliate marketing who reacted to my post. I started conversation with them. I gave value to them so that they can trust me, they buy from me. I sent offer link to 5 or 6 people, but I did not get any sale this month also. So I decided to quit because I realized this method is not for me. It's not going to work for me. I even started feeling exhausted by implementing this strategy. So now I started searching any other method that suits me, and I found a new method, a proven method that definitely going to work. I already started working on that method. I will share the details soon with you in the another video. If you are also looking for any other new method, you can check out this video.